Hi there. I'm looking to rent a car for the weekend, but I'm a little unsure about the prices.
No problem. I can help you with that. What kind of car are you looking for? Something small and easy to drive?
Yes, something like that. I need it for a trip to the mountains.
Sounds great. We have a compact car for just 50 a day. But if you rent it for 2 days, I can give you a discount. How does that sound?
50 a day is a bit steep for me. Can you lower the price?
Well, if you're renting for the weekend, I can do it for 40 a day. That's a pretty good deal.
That does sound better, but I still need to think about it. Are there any extra fees I should know about?
Good question. There's a small insurance fee, but it's optional. If you don't want it, you can drive without it. Just remember, you're responsible for any damage.
Got it. I appreciate the heads up. What about fuel? Do I need to return the car with a full tank?
Yes, please. It's part of the deal. Return it with a full tank, or we'll charge you extra for fuel.
All right. I think I'm ready to go for it. I'll take the compact car for 2 days at 40 a day.
Perfect. Let me get the paperwork ready. You won't regret this choice.
Thanks for your help, Tom.